Hi guys, today we would be meeting Divash Mishra from second year and Jaskirat Kaur from first year to talk about their role senior and role junior bonding. Hi Jaskirat.
Hello.
So we'll be going on with the questions. And so, what is this concept of a role senior and role junior?
I think this concept of role senior and role junior has been going on since quite a long time. I think Divish will be able to tell you better because I also have a super role senior and he has his super role senior as well. And this concept is like as juniors come into the first year, they are assigned to a senior who's had the same roll number in the previous year as well. I think that's how it goes, and they help the juniors get along with the campus and everything.
Basically, what happens is whenever you go to a company, you have this is some sort of a mentor-mentee program. So since we have been in this college for the past 1 year, we know the nuances and what happens at which stage and what to do in different subjects, what to do in placements. So we are effectively able to guide the juniors.
So basically, this is a mentorship and mentee program.
Exactly.
So Divash, what was your first impression about Jaskirat?
So she first pinged me on WhatsApp when I guess you're supposed to contact the seniors for some assignments.
Yeah.
When I met her, she was this short, like, this much height, like full of energy, bubbling, excited, excited, bubbly, eager to learn. That's what differentiates people.
That's good to hear.
Nice review. So, do you think this role senior and role junior concept helped you in any way or the other?
Yeah, I think to a very good extent it has. As a junior, I'm a kind of an introvert person. It takes some time to open up, and I think that would have been really awkward if I would go on to any random senior and told him that I want help in this and something. But when we were assigned a role senior, it was very easy for me to get in touch with the senior, and then after all it went very well. And I would like to say that he's a very helpful role senior. Really, yeah, no, very true.
Jaskirat, do you remember the first meeting you guys, like the first interaction you guys had?
Yeah, I remember the first interaction. So the first interaction was not a one. So there was a group discussion that we had first in the university, and then after that we met for the first time. And where he gave me the first time we met was he gave me suggestions onto what I should be doing to get better at GDs, and that was our first meeting. And then we
was during the Quora meetup.
Yeah, exactly.
She was in a panel. I was there behind the panel. She did not speak a word of it. The only time she spoke was when you were given the chance to speak.
Yeah. But then, would you like to also tell that I've improved?
Yeah, she's improved quite a lot. I've seen her in 2-3 GDs.
Yeah.
She has improved.
Okay, thank you.
Parallel reviews going on. Nice. So Jaskirat and Divash, do you think there's something in common between you? Something you can relate to each other?
Yeah, I think the first thing that comes to my mind is that we are part of the same committee. Speaker. He's a core member and the shadow member of the same. And not that he selected me for the same reason. So that is one thing. And one other thing would be that there's a subject, ERMP, that he is. I would say that's your favorite subject.
Yeah, that is my favorite.
I think, and that is one thing. Like, okay, my role senior loves the subject. I think I should also gain some interest in it. That was one. I was really afraid of the subject at first. Then with his help, with his notes and all, I really got interested in the subject. Doing good at it somewhat. Also labor laws.
Typical role senior and relations. So we'll be playing a rapid fire round. I'll be giving a word and you need to say whatever the first thing that flashes into your mind. Okay? So, classmate. First you and then you.
Bad teachers.
Teachers.
Xbox.
Fresh air.
Sleep.
Exam hall.
Tension.
First bench.
Library.
Sleep.
Comfort. So, do you guys remember any funny incident between you two guys?
I think there was an informal meeting between the seniors and the juniors when we were asked to, get on to different seniors and know about something funny or something different about your role senior. So that's when I got to know about my role senior, Divash, that he is an army brat. Someday would like to join on. No, I have some other things coming up as well. And his hostel room looks like a vegetable market, I suppose.
As a warehouse.
As a warehouse where you get only vegetables, he likes to cook and eat everything in his own room, something very healthy and all. Yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah. So last question would be one-liner for Jaskirat and one-liner for Deepak.
Think about it.
Sure.
Take your time.
Not a good painter. That's something
Okay, maybe. So I would, yeah, I do. So about him that I don't think I would have got a better role senior. No, very true, yeah.
Thank you for devoting your time to this. Thank you, Jaskirat.
You welcome.
Hope you guys had a nice time.
Okay. You
Thank
too.